So, hello my YouTube family, as you see this, so do you think it's just a clickbait or is it really true? Let me show you why I said this and let me show you why this is true. As you can see here, I am fighting a level 6 Beyblade which is just came randomly, I don't know from where. So this is just like a little spoiler, but I am sure about it that it's gonna come, and it's gonna come very soon enough. As you can see there, check on the right corner, and there you can see there I am fighting a level 6 Beyblade which is not even released yet. You just can upgrade your way till, as you can see, like level 5. You cannot upgrade your bay above that. So before moving any further, do subscribe the channel and that why I am fighting a level 6 Beyblade here. It is because very soon enough Hasbro gonna release new level ups for your Beyblade, which are gonna be like level 6 and level 7 maybe, so that you can fight even more harder with your Beyblade and then you can make it even more stronger. That's why it's just came randomly. I didn't use any hack or something. So as you can see, I'm still fighting a level 3 Beyblade. I don't know how to beat it. It's just so strong. As you can see, I personally have a level 5 Beyblade, but still unbeatable, man. I still beat him in this round, but as you will see in further round, you will get to know why this Beyblade is so powerful. So do like the video and also subscribe the channel. So let's get started in this round, and then here it goes. Let's try to beat this bulky guy. Okay, he's attacking, guys, so it's a 75%. Let's see how it goes. Oh my goodness, did you just see that? He busted my bay even with 75% of his special moves power. Man, how am gonna counter that? As you can see here, I have a level 5 Beyblade, still I lose. So let's move on to our next section where I will tell you that how much powerful will level 6 Beyblade will be. So let me try to again fight in this random tournament, or we can say an exhibition match where I am fighting with a Doom Sizer, which is like level 5 Beyblade. So still we can judge that how much powerful will this new Beyblade level will be. So it all depends on like how much powerful your Beyblade is already. Like if you have a level 5 Beyblade like a Brave Valkyrie, then his attack will be of max amount, and if you get that attack specialty in between your match, then no one can beat you. But if there's a balance type Beyblade or a defense type Beyblade which surpasses the attack types, so if they manage to counter this attack, then they will simply surpass the attack types and win the battle. So that's how I can say that yes, this level 6 Beyblade will be the most powerful Beyblade you ever seen in this Beyblade Burst app. So be ready for the new update and keep upgrading your Beyblades, because only Beyblades who are upgraded to 5 level max, that Beyblade only can upgrade to level 6. That's a simple math. So what you have to actually do is you have to upgrade your Beyblade in your Beyblade Burst app by going to the Beylogger to level 5 max, so that whenever will this new update will be coming, you are ready to upgrade your Beyblade to level 6. So as you can see here, I won this round or this match, I say. Let's move on to our next battle, where I will be fighting with Triumph Divolos D6. I like this Beyblade, this color combination is very good, and most important part, I upgraded this weight to level 5. So my opponent is one of my subscribers, I guess. Yes, I will be fighting with him. He has a level 4 Beyblade. I think it's a recolor edition of Spriggan Rickerum with some very good attack power or a balancing type pay. And let's get started. Let's see how good he is. And he is using a level 4 Beyblade, so it's gonna be tough for him. So let's see. Okay, I just applied this defensive shield around the Beyblade. Okay, he just lost. Oh, okay, I got it. So this defensive layer actually does what if you attack at the time when this defensive shield is activated, then this is gonna be bad for you, or I say the other opponent, because this defensive shield is really tough. So here opponent is attacking, his attack is 75%. I got some damage. Now it's my turn. Let's hit him hard. That's perfect, guys. Oh, he will manage to survive this. So it's a burst finish and I won this match. So let's move on. Here's our victory party, and with this I also got 200 XPs for each part of my Beyblade. So let's try just battle track here. This is the battle track which you have to upgrade if you want to upgrade your Bey to level 5. So let's fight him again because he is sending request. His name is Sensational Myth, I guess. Yeah, 9347 is just the serial number, means like 9346 people are above him who chose this name already. So it's same like this always. So let's try to hit a perfect. Okay, it's not a perfect. Still, I think I will win. Maybe. Okay, here I collected these defensive balls and he is attacking me with his on the defensive shield activated. That's gonna be bad and he loses. So always remember, don't attack the opponent's way if the defensive shield is activated, because that defensive shield is gonna be bad for you, your stamina. So let's try. Okay, we got a perfect launch here, guys. That's really awesome. And now I'm gonna use my special move. Here's again a perfect, guys. Bam! Oh, I didn't burst him this time. I just missed. I don't know how. Still, okay, he's using his special move. Okay, it's a weak attack. That's not gonna hurt me, buddy. You have to do better than this. Come on, bro. Okay, let's collect this one. And bam, now it's my turn to hit him hard. It's too early. Still, I think I can beat him. Yes, it's again a burst finish, guys. The game is over in 2 rounds because he lost in a burst finish. Bro, you have to upgrade your Bey to like level 5, then fight with me. You will win for sure. So this exhibition match. Okay, let's fight in this one. I like this Motor Strike Stadium. It's really graphical, very awesome. So we are fighting here with Colossal Fafnir F6, a very tough Beyblade to beat, and it's a level 5 Beyblade, so this is gonna be even tougher. So here I get a perfect launch. Do subscribe this channel, guys. If you want to see more content like this, then do subscribe the channel. It will help the channel. So thanks for watching though, and also like the video if you like this information and this gameplay. Oh, I got it too late. Okay, I give him a good hit still. So let's unlock our defensive shield. He's not gonna beat me in my defensive shield. Okay, he's using stamina to gain more energy. Tap 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 tap. Come on, speed storm. Yes, I unlocked this speed storm, guys. Okay, now let's beat him. Bam bam bam. Oh, he used his special and it's a perfect, guys. Oh my god, he's tough. Now it's my turn and you gonna pay for it. Oh man, it's a big still I busted. It's a big attack, still I busted, man. Okay, I think that speed storm attack really hit him hard and decreases his burst durability, I say. So round 1 and let's move on to our round 2. Get ready. 3 2 1. Come on, perfect. Oh man, didn't get a perfect. Why? So let's move on. Hit him hard. Okay, I just have to use one special move and he is over. So and let's move on. Okay, it's a perfect, guys. Now it's a perfect. Bam, that's a single strike blow and he's just wobble. Our attack speed storm once again. I unlocked the speed storm, guys. Now he will pay. Bam, did you just see that speed? The Stream Tivolos is just so awesome. So like and subscribe for our perfect win. So let me just show you my friend list. You all are just so awesome, guys, and thank you so much for sending me these gifts, for sending me friend requests, for being my friend in game. These all are you guys. Man, I'm really thankful to all of you. So keep hitting me with those friend requests. I love those friend requests and it's our final one and I got a Zeutron Z2. So thank you so much, guys. You all made my day and I'm really thankful to you all. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you will like it. And also just don't forget to subscribe the channel. So thanks for watching. We'll meet up in the next video.